What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'm excited to put something that seems to be small, but for me I'm actually happy about this mod. But before we talk about it, let's bring the car into the garage. Today we're going to be working on the BMW by replacing these pesky lug studs. I have a new lug stud conversion kit and I'm super excited to install it with you guys. I actually did this before on the Mark 6 GTI back then. I will definitely leave a link down below if you're curious to watch that video as well. But other than that, guys, let's get down to it. As you can see here, I have the lug studs here. I'll remove one out of the back so you can take a good look of it. So it's pretty nice and solid. So before we open this up, it shows you up here, it's like a little instruction of the lug nuts. And as you can see, each on the 8 on this side, 8 on the other side. So these are standard lug nuts. And then you have the standard key, and then you appears to see, if you look down here, you see lock-in lug nuts. So most likely these are for per wheel, and there's 4 of them obviously, and you have the locking key. So that's pretty interesting. So when you install it, 4 on each wheel plus 1 for locking. So that's cool. And if you look inside, this is how they actually look. It's pretty nice. They feel, the quality feels decent. I actually expected these to be a little bit heavier, but they're not. They're really light. And let's see how the key looks. So this is the locking key. It's nice. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Oh, I noticed that it has a plastic around it. I'm guessing this is to make sure you don't scratch the wheels when you install the locks, or just the lugs overall. And then for the rest of them, that looks pretty good too. And as you can see, it has the same design as the first one I mentioned. It's okay. Got this little book. So they have this little book that I guess advertise different parts built by Mishimoto: exhaust, radiator, condenser, what is this, reservoir, tanks. So if you're curious about getting more stuff, they have this little book to help. But other than that, guys, let's get down to it. Before we begin, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get down to it. So for the stud, guys, you definitely need a Loctite for that. I highly recommend it. You need it when you install this side to the hub, to make sure this does not go anywhere. And also you're going to need a Allen to install it as well. So guys, this is super easy. So we're going to start by removing the wheel. I'm going to get a size 17s. Gonna get this cleaned up a little bit. If you have a blower or something like that, that would be really helpful, just to get rid of any excessive debris. And then we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some Loctite to it. And then go ahead and just hand tight the new stud. So now we're going to do it for the other 4. So I installed the other 4 studs, and I went ahead and looked up how many foot-pounds is necessary to torque these. So I went through Bimmer Post, and they mentioned that you highly recommended you torque these between 25 to 30 foot-pounds and for the studs. And then for the nuts themselves, you want to go ahead and torque it between 90 to 100 foot-pounds. So the next step is to reinstall the wheel. Lift the sucker up. Line it up and then slide it in. And voila. So far so good. So 10 times easier. I love these already. I'm gonna go for hand tight. Make sure the threads are smooth and easy. Oh yeah. And then the last one would be the lock. So I also want to mention this. If you have an issue tightening or installing the nut because the hole for the wheel is too small, you can always remove it. This cap right here is covered, just like so. And then you have more space to make sure you're able to tighten the nuts. So we're gonna torque these at 100 foot-pounds. This one will be the 7-point. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.